Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nadia Islami. Di sini saya akan menampilkan keterampilan micro teaching di bagian keterampilan menggunakan media. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? Okay, everyone. Before starting the lesson today, let's pray first. Okay, Chairman, please lead the prayer. Okay, thanks. Okay, everyone, I will check your attendance first. For the names I mentioned, please raise your hand and say, "Present, Miss." You understand? Okay. Okay, the first, Nanda Dwi Aksari, Halimah, Ninda, Okta, Sri, Puja. Okay. Okay, student. Today we will learn about the generic structure of the narrative text. So I hope you at the end materials or the lesson you will be able to identify or determine the generic structure of a narrative text that I have given for you. Okay, I will show you about the material about the generic structure of narrative text. Please you see carefully in the PowerPoint. Okay, student. Usually, the generic structure of narrative text consists three parts. The first is orientation, and the second is complication, and the last is resolution. So in the orientation, section contains an introduction to the characteristic, background, place, and time from the story. Like in the orientation, use the namely 5W and 1H, like the who, what, where, when, and how. And the second part is complication. So in the complication section, problems begin to arise and must be resolved by the main character in the story. And the last part is resolution. So in the resolution is where the story ends. In this section, the problem is resolved by the main character. In the resolution section, there is also usual a moral value or advice from the story, or what is usually called a coda. So I will show you about the picture about the narrative text. I choose the narrative text with the title Malin Kundang. So you can see in the screen the picture. Okay, please let's see. Do you know about the story of Malin Kundang, right? Okay. So student, now that you know what are the parts of the generic structure of narrative text, so I have an example of narrative text, namely the one of title Malin Kundang. So student, please take trans reading in the story in my PPT. Please write the story. Please, student, can we read in the story? Please, Nanda. Yes. You first paragraph. And then continue with the puja, and the last paragraph read by the Ninda. Okay. Okay, please continue, Puja. And the last paragraph, please, Ninda, can you read? Okay, thank you to Puja, Nanda, and Ninda. So, you have done read the example narrative text with the title Malin Kundang. So, I explained about the analysis of the generic structure, right? Okay. The first is introduction. So in the introduction from the story is the one paragraph. In orientation, like once upon a time in small village on the coast of West Sumatra lived a boy named Malin Kundang with his elderly mother. They lived a simple life, but it was full of love. Malin's father had passed away when he was very young, so his mother had to work hard to raise him. So the one paragraph is orientation. Why? Because in the one paragraph have the introduction of the main character like Malin Kundang and his mother, and the setting time and place like small village on the coast of the West Sumatra, and the initial situation there simple yet loving life, and then in second paragraph is complication. Why the second paragraph is complication, like you read before? After in the complication have the emergence of a problem or conflict in the section Malin dissatisfaction with village, his life, his departure to seek fortune, and his denial of his mother upon returning wealthy. And the last paragraph is resolution. Why in the last paragraph is resolution? Because the resolution of the problem, Malin is cursed by his mother and thrown into stone, serving as a lesson about the importance of honoring one parents. Okay, student, do you understand about the generic structure of the story about the Malin Kundang? Okay. How about other? Halima, do you understand? Okay, because I see you have understand the parts of the generic structure of the narrative text. Now, I will give you the task of determining the parts of the generic structure of the of the Snow White story. And I will give you 10 minutes to identify the generic structure of the Snow White story. So let's do it. Okay, student. Oh. Do you have 1 minute? Okay. Do you done? Okay. Now, to check the result of your assessment answer, please check with your friends your answer. Please. Okay. Let's see the answer from the story about Snow White. So, in the first paragraph is yes, orientation. Who is correct? And the second paragraph is the complication. Please check your answer from your friends, correct or wrong. And the last is resolution. Okay, thank you. So student, today we have learned about the generic structure of the narrative text. So in the generic structure have three parts, namely introduction, complication, and resolution. Thank you for your kind attention today, and see you next time. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.